What's up, y'all? Big Smitty from Big Smitty Riding here, and today we're going to go for a quick ride. We're going to have a conversation about motorcycles as therapy, and we're going to talk about bikers' mental health. Not the most popular subject, but I'm not that popular of a guy, so it really shouldn't matter. So let's get out there and get a ride and have a quick chat, shall we? So, as I said in the intro, today we're going to have a quick conversation about motorcycle therapy, because I'm one of those people who believes that motorcycles are extremely therapeutic. So when I started talking about doing this, I asked a few of my buddies about, just kind of as a test group, I asked them, hey man, what do you think? I'm going to talk about motorcycles being therapeutic, and I'm going to talk about, you know, little mental health with bikers. And when I tell you that the response I got was nothing shy of, dude, you're out of your mind. I was kind of surprised at the response I got, because look, man, 2020 has sucked. I mean, I think we can all be honest about that. This has not been the best year for us. I kind of wanted to, man, I see a lot of people that are depressed and upset, so I kind of wanted just to, I don't know, just talk about what's going on and talk about how people are handling it. And man, when I said something about it, you would have seriously thought that I was bringing up a subject like taboo. You've seen the meme of a picture, and it shows somebody riding a motorcycle, or it shows a therapist's office, and it says you never see a motorcycle parked in front of a therapist's office. Well, that is absolutely the truth, because we have our own brand of therapy right here. That's what motorcycles are. Motorcycles are extremely therapeutic. So I know that's what I've used mine as for years. I've used mine as therapy for quite a number of years. But for me, this two-wheeled obsession that I hold on to helps me to de-stress. The problem is that, and I said this a little bit ago, in the motorcycle community, man, we sure don't like to talk about being stressed out. We sure don't like to talk about mental health and shit like that. And look, let's face the facts of what we're dealing with right now. We've had a pandemic come. We've had people who've lost their jobs. We've had people who not only lost their jobs, but people who have been furloughed, people who have had to sell their businesses. We have people who have had to change their entire lives. I don't talk about my personal life all that much, other than a few little glimpses here and there. But I have a 5-year-old son that is autistic and has ADHD. So right now, he is trying to do online school. My son finally has good speech skills and his imagination is coming around, but my son doesn't know how to use a mouse or get on the computer, so my wife or I have to help him. My son has trouble sitting still. It's a struggle for us, because, you know, we're trying to do the best that we can for him, but you know, he struggles with being able to sit still and being able to focus, and that is a stressful situation. It's a stressful situation on our family. It's on my wife, and especially for my poor son, because he's doing the best that he can do, and it's hard for him. It's hard because he doesn't understand what's going on. He's not getting to go see a teacher, you know, a lot of things like that, and so that causes stress. So just like yesterday, I told my beautiful bride, hey, you need to get out of the house. Well, what do you mean? I said, you need to get out of this house. You don't need to be here right now. I said, you're stressed, you're tired. So she went and got her nails done and got a haircut, and that's how she de-stresses. She went out and relaxed and was able to do the things that she needed to do for her to help her de-stress. And that's one of those things where every one of us has to find what helps me de-stress. There's so many people who have so much shit going on that they don't They don't know how to de-stress. They don't know how to relax. Of course, it's Galveston Bay. But absolutely beautiful. The pier, people going fishing. I mean, if I want to get my frame of mind right, well, this is where I do it. I've seen people talk about self-care. Hey, that's cool. I really feel like if there's self-care, for me, it's gonna be motorcycles. Motorcycles will be my self-care, right? Because I love bikes. If you're watching this channel, there's a good chance that you love bikes, which I think is pretty damn awesome. Just a quick back road ride, and it can change your mentality and your outlook. People who say, man, I've got anxiety, I don't know how to de-stress, and you know, I'm always going to be somebody who tells you, well, get a motorcycle. Well, not everybody knows how to ride, or they're too scared to ride, they're not comfortable or whatever else. So, but I tell people, find you something that makes you relax. Find you something you enjoy. Find something that you can get a hold of that just helps you de-stress. I don't care if it's needle point. I don't care if it's doing cross stitch. If it's fishing, if it's old cars, if it's cleaning, if it's exercise, if it's it could be one of a million different things. This is why I love this road right here. It could be anything. You find something that helps you de-stress and helps you relax and helps you feel good about being you. 2020's been a shit year. It has been. It doesn't have to be a shit year all the time. You can choose to be positive. You can choose to make sure that you do things for yourself that help you. Doing this right here. Listen to this stupid fat ass try to help tell you, hey, it can be better. Okay? I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna ride, I'm gonna enjoy myself, and I'm gonna make sure that I do what I need to do to keep me right, because every one of us out there has somebody who needs you. Now sometimes you may not feel that way, but every one of us has somebody out there who needs you. You have family, you have friends, you have loved ones, and they need you. De-stress, get yourself out, help your mental health, man. Do a little self-care. Ladies, get out there, get your nails done. Girl, get your hair did, get your nails done. Do something to make you feel good. Fellas, get a haircut. Lose some weight. Wait a minute. Yeah, I need to lose some weight. Okay, anyway, lose some weight. Exercise, go to the gym. Hell, get on these beautiful things. Good old Daphne Blake makes me feel better. She does. She got a great big front end and a skinny little butt. It's actually one of my favorite kind of women, the big front end, skinny butt. But anyway, the point is, man, there's so many things we can do to make ourselves feel better. There's so many things we can do to help each other. Let's, man, be nice to each other, care for each other, help somebody you see them when they're in need, man. When you see somebody who's down and out, you know what? Hey, man, take them a meal, you know? Buy them a meal. Take them for a ride. Tell them, hey, get on your bike, let's go for a ride, bro. So get out and ride, enjoy yourself, man. Let's try to make the best of this shitty ass year and all the social bullshit that's been going on, all the problems everybody's been having. Man, there's so many people dealing with so much right now, and man, let's get out and make the best of this shit. Whatever it is that you need to do to de-stress, do it. Get out there, do something. Golf, sports. We're just now getting sports back on TV for sports fans. Maybe that'll help you de-stress. Maybe watching movies. If you're my wife and my daughter, you watch a lot of Hamilton. Hamilton all the time. Hamilton, Hamilton, Hamilton. I've seen Hamilton 5 times, and not because I wanted to. I mean, it's cool. But seriously, my wife and daughter, it's Hamilton, it's the music, it's, ugh. Anyway. Point being, because I tend to drone on things, is find something that helps you get your mental health right and do that thing. Enjoy that thing. Don't let it slip out of your hands. Do something for you. Hey, what's up, y'all? I know that my topic today may not have been the most popular, but I really think mental health and de-stressing and using our motorcycles as a therapy tool is important for us. You know, again, let's just try to help each other. Let's try to help each other de-stress. If you see somebody who's stressed out, try to help them. Try to do some self-care and de-stress for you as well. Okay? Now remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and tell me what you think. Now I want you to have a great day. Let's try not to be assholes to each other. And I'll see you next time.